die. Say it's God or the devil. We can't be yourself, cause it's heaven or hell. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Man, where do you stand? At the sound of the gavel. Who's the real you? Cause change is real. Oh my God, you don't know. Well, God knows what you don't, so hey, say, man, what's your friggin' level? Are you finna fly or die? Are you finna fly or fry? Why, what's the root problem? Rebel against the Father, cause demons is harder, demons is bother. We already know who belong to the devil, and if you don't know, then you must be his. Hating on the way, trying to kill Jesus, but ain't nothing new, man. That's why no patience. Talk before you think, cause the drugs that he gave you. Try to escape, but ain't no way running from God. Crashing the saints is not that funny. Really, it's death, not fun. The real you is locked up inside the devil one. Who finna fly? Who finna die? Who finna fly? Who will fry? Like potatoes, French fried creatures, cast in the sizzle. God finna eat ya like a wolf spider, spirit on the creep. Demons doing dirt till little demons shriek. People think they free, but no freedom in deceit. Got very little answers until it's time to see. Emotions speak volumes, cackle like a witch. Hand of God in the sky with the lightning switch. Who will fly? Who will die? Who will scream? Who will fry? Who feel forced? Who betrays themselves? Whoever hates life by default chooses hell.